Congratulations on starting your EAP journey. Now that you've been selected for EAP, you might be thinking, what do I do now? In this video, we will cover what you can expect throughout the next several months. We'll also go over your responsibilities as a selected EAP student. First, here's some background on the University of California Education Abroad Program, or UCEAP. EAP programs are for students from all 10 of the University of California campuses. On your program, you can expect to meet students from the other UCs: UC Davis, UC Berkeley, UC San Francisco, UC Santa Cruz, UC Merced, UC Santa Barbara, UCLA, UC Riverside, UC Irvine, and UC San Diego. Each campus has advisors who select students to participate in EAP. At our campus, those advisors are Sarah Balder and Lori Iserman. But Sarah and Lori don't actually run the programs themselves. EAP programs are actually managed by an entire staff of people who work down in Goleta near Santa Barbara. We refer to them as the UCEAP system-wide office. Now that you are officially an EAP participant, you and all of the participants from all of the other UC campuses will communicate primarily with the staff at the UCEAP system-wide office about your pre-departure responsibilities. Now let's talk about email communication. Within the next several months, you'll start to receive important emails from the UC EAP system-wide office and also from your campus EAP advisor. You might also receive emails from the university where you'll study abroad. Create a folder in your email account labeled EAP. Read all EAP-related emails carefully and save them in your folder for future reference. Deleting or failing to read important EAP emails could have serious consequences. Also, check your junk filters. And remember, it's your responsibility to stay on top of the emails from EAP. If you have questions about an EAP email you received, just reply to the person who sent it to you.
EAP Pre-Departure Checklist. Within the next few months, tasks will be added to your online EAP Pre-Departure Checklist. Some of the items that may appear on your pre-departure checklist are electronic forms to fill out, forms to send to the UCEAP system-wide office, documents to read and review, visa or residence permit instructions, and the EAP health clearance form. Helpful tip on the EAP health clearance. You can plan ahead for the EAP health clearance by finding your vaccination records. You'll need them to prove that you're up to date on all of your shots. Some countries may require special vaccinations that you haven't had yet. To find out about vaccinations required for your EAP country, see the Center for Disease Control website at cdc.gov. Money Matters is where you'll find the budget for your program, instructions on how to make payments, and also your payment due dates. This is also where students on financial aid can sign up for Electronic Funds Transfer, or EFT, which is direct deposit especially for EAP. The Insurance tab is where you can read about the mandatory EAP insurance policy that you'll be covered by. You should also print out your insurance plan card from this page and put it in your wallet. The Calendars tab is where the official start and end dates of your program will be posted. Once the official dates of your program are posted here, it's okay to go ahead and make your flight arrangements. You should not buy your plane tickets before the dates are posted. The Policies tab contains links to important information that you should read, and the Petitions tab is essentially just for your reference. Bookmark the EAP Participants page and refer to it often. www.eap.ucop.edu/participants.
Withdrawing from EAP. If you change your mind and decide to not go on EAP, you have to formally withdraw from the program. To withdraw, email your campus EAP advisor, Sarah or Lori, to clearly state your decision to withdraw and to provide a reason for your decision. For example, financial, personal, academic, health, family, etc. There's a deadline to withdraw without any financial penalty. Check your My EAP account to find out the withdrawal deadline for your program. If you withdraw after that deadline, you will be charged a $500 fee plus additional costs if applicable. If you're thinking of withdrawing for financial reasons, speak to a financial aid advisor before you decide.
Taking medications abroad. Certain medications might be unavailable or even illegal in other countries. If you take medications, contact EAP assistance to find out the status of your meds in your EAP country. OPS at EAPassistanceusa.com. Speak with your healthcare provider about filing your prescriptions for the length of your time abroad. Keep meds in their original containers. It's recommended to carry a letter from your doctor explaining your medical problems and treatment just in case you run into any problems. EAP health insurance. Mandatory EAP insurance covers you while you are abroad on EAP. The cost is included in your EAP program fees. If you have U-Ship student insurance, it will automatically be waived for your EAP term. While abroad, you will have to pay upfront for any medical services and then apply for reimbursement from the EAP health insurance. EAP coverage begins 14 days before your program starts and ends 31 days after the end of the program. It's possible to extend your EAP insurance if you plan to travel on your own before or after the program. Sign up for EAP Gap Insurance. Students with disabilities. If you receive any assistance at UCSC, you may be able to receive it abroad as well. Speak to the DRC and to your campus EAP advisor early to coordinate your needs with your EAP program.
EAP finances and payments. It is important to be aware of the costs of your EAP program. A detailed program budget can be found on the EAP participants page under Money Matters. The program budget is broken into two parts: UC fees and estimated personal expenses. Think of the UC fees as the bill that you will pay to EAP. Think of the estimated personal expenses as the things you will have to pay out of pocket, costs that are not included in your EAP bill. Pay your EAP bills on time. Payment dates are listed on your budget. Action item. Make a note of your 2 payment dates. Plan to pay on time. Make payments online by logging into your My EAP account and clicking on Finances. The first payment is deferred for students who receive any kind of financial aid. Only students not on financial aid must make the first payment on time in order to avoid paying a late fee. Financial aid students do not pay the late fee.
If you are a financial aid student, remember to accept your financial aid award on your my.ucsc.edu portal. Once you accept your award, it will automatically go towards your EAP bill. If your financial aid only covers part of your EAP bill, you are responsible for paying the difference. Pay online under My EAP Finances. If your financial aid covers your entire EAP bill, and there are funds left over, sign up for Electronic Funds Transfer, EFT, under Money Matters on the EAP Participants page. EFT is direct deposit for study abroad. Your normal direct deposit does not carry over to EAP. Have questions about loans or grants? Contact Linda Kopp or Jessica Moore at the Financial Aid Office. If you have a fee waiver for CalVet, Stanford Tuition, Los Alamos, etc., please send it directly to the UC EAP system-wide office. If you have financial or legal matters that will need attention while you're abroad, designate a power of attorney to act on your behalf. Download a form at financialaid.ucsc.edu/studyabroad.shtml.
Study abroad scholarships. If you are serious about getting a scholarship to help with the cost of study abroad,
spend several hours searching and several days applying.
A good goal is to identify 3 to 5 scholarships and then apply based on each one's due date.
Start your research at ieo.ucsc.edu/financing-study-abroad/scholarships. Good luck!
Yay!
You will soon be enrolled in an EAP placeholder course for the term you will be abroad. The course is listed as 15 credits, pass no pass. This course shows anyone who looks at your portal that you are abroad, but that you are still a UCSC student. Later on, the EAP placeholder course will be replaced by your actual EAP courses, credits, and letter grades. Other action items. If you still have questions about how your EAP courses will count towards your major, talk to your major advisor before you go abroad. Still need to apply for or renew your passport? Do it now. Find out how online at travel.state.gov/passport. The closest place to apply for or renew your passport is the post office in downtown Santa Cruz at 850 Front Street. No appointment is required. Pre-departure orientation. A few months from now, you'll have a chance to get more information. There is a mandatory group orientation for all new EAP students. The date is listed on your notification email. Mark your calendar now. The location and time will be announced later via email. You will have to prepare an info sharing topic for orientation. Several weeks prior to orientation, you will be assigned your info sharing topic via email and given instructions on how to prepare for orientation. At orientation, you will get to meet the other UCSC students who are going abroad. EAP returnees will also be invited to the orientation to serve as resources for you. Once again, welcome to EAP. We hope this video has helped you to understand your responsibilities and what you can expect as you prepare to study abroad. You are encouraged to watch this video again later on as you begin to complete your tasks and as questions arise. We hope it's helpful.